Hi and welcome to the Student Tracker app, an app that has been designed to enhance learner performance. Today we'll be looking into our 5th video on how request absence works in the parent account. Remember, we are on our workshop series video on how to operate the parent's account in the Student Tracker app. So here we'll go straight to our menu, then go to request absence. You click on request absence. Then you go to your request absence button in the purple color, and then it will show you start date or end date, and then reason. Then after you're done returning your reason, then you click send. So now you come click on this calendar icon. So here you can check the date that you would like to request your child to not be there at school. You can simply click there, and then you can be advanced on clicking the month or just by clicking these arrows. So here I just wanna use let's see, we can use Monday the 28th of April. So here I'm requesting that from the 28th of April my child would not be there until the 30th, which will be on Wednesday. Writing my reason being going for doctor's appointment. So here you're notifying the principal that on those certain dates that you have selected, your child will not be at school but will be having an agent meeting or appointment with the doctors. Then you come here and click send. You come and click your send button. So now it will show you when your message has been submitted to the principal successfully. It will show this green message over here. So now we'll go back to our menu and see. Here I just want to show you something. So here it will list the number of times you have requested your child to be absent at school. It will show you the number of times. It will show you your absence start dates and your absence end dates and your reasons for why your child will not be at school, and it will show you at status that your status is still pending until the principal has seen this message. Then you see it will be shown granted. This is it for this video. See you on our next video on how principal and educator notification works in the parent account. Thanks for watching.